Minimum order quantities are set by factories and are calculated based on a few key factors, such as how simple the product is to manufacture, how expensive or inexpensive it is to manufacture, and how large the product is. Small products that are simple and inexpensive to produce call for higher MOQs due to tight margins. Inexpensive yet complex items, such as fidget cubes, also require higher MOQs, as they demand multiple parts and pieces from upstream suppliers which have their own MOQs, and often have more complex manufacturing and assembly costs. You can offer secure lower MOQs through original design manufacturers, or ODMs, that are already producing a certain item and require little or no customizations. Trade agents that have small operations to make minor customizations can also offer lower MOQs, as can smaller factories that are just looking for new business. These are typically represented by trade agents.